Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge lock already set up in the vise. It doesn't have a name or a number on it, so I put unknown, but we do know who it's made by, Trekmaster30. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's no identifiers. I checked the lock. There's no writing, no scribing, nothing. There's no markers on the key. This is how I got it. It just says pinned by Trekmaster30, so we got that much confirmed. Other than that, there's no other, like I said, no other identifiers for this particular lock. I do know I got it from, I want to say Average Picker sent it to me, so thank you for sending it. Like I said, there's just no other, there's not a number to it, a name, nothing, so, but that's okay. We do know it's a Schlage, and we know who made it, so that's a plus. And being it is a Schlage, I love me a Schlage. So I'm going to go with, let me see if I can find my little shotgun deal. Got a couple of them here. Go with the bigger one. That'll work. Shotgun in the bottom. And as always, my Sparrows, I guess low rise is what I call this one. It's one of my, I call it a master key actually for Schlages because it works so freaking damn good. And we're going to go with top of the keyway as always with Schlages. Yep, just fine and dandy. All right, so I have not tried this one yet. I just grabbed it out of the thing a little bit ago. So we're going to take this journey together. Let's get a feel for it and see what we're dealing with real quick. All right, they're sloppy up front. We got a binder in the back, so I'm going to recock, and that's where we're going to start, right out back. Got to go with the binding order. Get the first binding pin and work your way from there. Okay, that might have been, that was a lot. Coming back out. Yeah, I'm not sure. I might have overset something already. Because I'm not getting nothing else. Well. Oh, maybe. Got a slight turn now. We got a false set. Let's come back out. I'm looking for another binder, but... Oh, 2 counter rotation. I think it's 2. Let me see. 1. Yeah, 2's counter rotation. Well. Alright, let me feel around. Let's see if it's only 2. 6, 5, 4. 3. Yep, it's the only one that's, let me see. Yeah, it's right here. Gonna have to go for it. Okay, now we got, I thought it was open. We just went into a seriously deep false set. Oh, there we go. Okay. Not so bad. Must be one of his early ones. Trekmaster30 can make a seriously tough challenge lock. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what we got in this bad boy. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright. Let's bring the camera over here. Good enough. And get us a tray. Bada boom, bada bang. Where are we at? Good enough? Get backed out a little bit here. Alright, so we're very much open. Fair enough. Got one of them funky things on the back. Let's get that off of there. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bang. A little pin out. A little baby spring. We don't need that stuff. Well, I didn't even show the key working, I don't think. Look at the bitting on that key. Absolutely badass. Really nice. Let's see. Works like butter. Okay. Oh, duh. Alright. Shim in there. Oh, that went in pretty damn easy. Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, we got some funkiness in number 5. That's probably why we had that seriously deep fall set. You see that little pin sticking up in 5? Yeah. And they all needed picking pretty much, except for number 1 looks like maybe an overset trap. It's kind of tall. Let's get them laid out and see what we got. 1, 2, 3. 4's a little tiny guy. Yep, 5's like a T-pin key pin. That's probably why we had that really deep fall set. And 6. Alright. Let's get these scooted down. Get some specs on so I can see as good as the camera. And my pokey tool. On the core we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they're all threaded, but they're only threaded like 2 or 3 threads down. Let me see why that is. Is it hollow? No. Yeah, they're just partially. Let's see if I can get a good shot of that somehow. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. They're just barely threaded down, like 2 or 3 threads down. Really, really good idea. That'll throw off the feel for sure. All right. Some tweezers. It's the top. Looks like a standard 1. Yeah, I'm going to set these. I'm just going to get them all laid out in the pinning tray. We'll get a close-up on them. Looks like it's rated in 3. Oh. Like a standard in 4, but it looks like a... Oh. Drunken spool in 4. Maybe that's where the deep fall set came from. It could have been a combination though. What was that, 4? So we're looking for 5. Why isn't 5 popping up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Serrated. And the last one, we'll try to go from the back if I go very carefully. I mean 6 rather, sorry. Six is another serrated. I think it was them short springs. There's some little springs in this guy. They're shorter than normal. And there's nothing done to the body of the lock, or the Bible we call it. No mods. Alright, my cardboard table over. Look at that key, huh? Pinned by Trekmaster30. Nice little, fun little schlag here. Alright. Good enough. Make sure we're kind of straight on so we get a good clear shot. Alright, we're good. Key pins, we got a serration in the top of number 1, standard in 2, serrated in 3. I'd call that a spool key pin in 4. T-pin key pin in 5, serrated number 6. Drivers standard in 1. I'd call that a serrated spool in 2. Serrated in 3, drunken spool in 4, serrated in 5, and a serrated in 6. And now these springs are a little on the short side. Maybe that's why some of these pins weren't popping up real hard anyways. I mean, they were popping up, just not real hard. Alright, that's what we got. Pinned by Trekmaster30. So thank you, Trekmaster, for pinning that bad boy up. And I believe Average Picker sent it to me, so thank you. And that'll do her. Big Al, signing out.